Hello, friends. Running Kimono here. We have Walgreens, we have Meijer, we have Dollar General, we have Kohl's. We have so much that my keyboard, I think, was on fire this morning. I'm hyper. You guys are going to get it because this is just a fantastic midweek video with a ton of freebies. Oh my gosh. If you guys could do me a huge favor and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up so it doesn't end up in YouTube Siberia, I would be so grateful if you could take a second and like the video. In advance, you guys rock. Thanks so much. Okay, so the first store you're going to go to is Kohl's, and I would get out there right away. Whenever your store opens, if it's 9 a.m. or 10 a.m., if it's in a mall, they're celebrating their 20th anniversary, and part of that is the first 100, 2, or 500. I'm not sure how many cards they're carrying per store. They're offering these little papers that when you open them up, it's either 5, 10, 15, 25, or $100. Most of us get the $5 one, but it's a free little thing, and this is going on daily until Sunday the 7th. So whenever your store opens, depending how many cards, because whenever they run out of cards, sorry, Charlie, you're out of luck. But if you go first thing in the morning, you might snag. Most of us get a $5 card. I just wanted to show you a couple little items that I saw for $5, and I was lucky to get one card. I think I was the last person. I went in at 1 o'clock, and then there were people shaking their fists. They were really not happy, but I got the last one. I only got one. These 6 counts of these little face towels are $4.99, so that's a freebie. You don't even have to pay tax. And then these big microfiber pillows. Also, with that $5 coupon, it would make it free. That little paper gift card must be spent the day that it's issued. So you can't like squirrel away 17 of them and hope on Sunday you'll get like $35 off of an order. Not how it works. It has to be spent that day. These little Halloween towels, I think one will be 79 cents for the singles, and then the 2-pack would be $8.79. So after the $5 coupon, I think it would be like $3.79. So, I mean, some of us really like these for bathrooms or just to make something look extra cute. Let me know in the comments down below if you have a Kohl's and what you specifically get. And if you get that $100 one, I'd be so jealous. Good luck, guys. I know some of you will score. The next store that we have is everybody's favorite, Walgreens. This morning when I was trying to load a couple coupons, this message of doom started showing up. So if you are having issues loading coupons, you are not alone. Ever since they do that new app update, it's always been acting this way, so I do not know, guys. On Wednesday morning, I got 2 boosters to load, a 5 back when you buy 3 dental care with the P&G, and a 10 back when you spend 45. So I'm looking forward to starting to use that one on Sunday, the 7th. So wouldn't that be nice? Okay, so summer stuff went 80% last Tuesday. My prediction is the following Tuesday, which is the 9th, I think it's going to go 90. Alternatively, I might be wrong, and maybe Friday the 5th it'll go 90. We'll have to wait and see. But that's what it's done classically in the last couple years. Like Kenny Rogers, you know when to hold him, know when to fold him. I'm waiting to spend my money, and if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. But if I'm right, 90% is really sweet. Check the app for Friday the 5th or the 9th, which is next Tuesday. I hope I'm right. This is one product across the board. It's gotten so expensive, Imodium. We have a 3 off 2 digital. If you can track down 2 that are on clearance for $1.79, you're going to get 2 packs really cheap. 1 pack was $1.79. It's the only one I found, and I just scarfed that up. What a deal for Imodium. Another super deal this week is with the Crest. Certain ones that are part of this promotion of buy 3, get a $5 register reward. And this one worked for me. It's called Arctic Fresh Advance, this one. So I grabbed 3 of them. There's an IBOTTA offer for $3 back. And we also have a 5 off of 3 digital coupon. This one, make sure you have it locked and loaded for this deal. And then just to show you the IBOTTA rebate, and make sure that your Walgreens store is the store at the bottom attaching. You'll get back $3 on this purchase. Grabbing 3 of these, it's $15. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $10. Get back one $5 register reward, $3 back from IBOTTA. That's $8 back altogether. It makes it $2 for the 3 or 66 cents per tube. No booster. It's okay to use Walgreens cash. to pay to earn that register reward. And just to show you the register reward, and even though it says dental care, you can use this on anything. If the cashier is going to read every inch of the register reward, obviously you can only use it on dental care, but if they will just scan whatever, this scans on any item in store. Just to let you know, I didn't say that, but maybe I did. And this deal is back where you buy one of these Tide Pods, you get a Downy Rinse and Refresh for free. The best way to do it is curbside, meaning you're putting this order through the Walgreens app, paying for it, driving to the store and picking it up. It's the best way to do it. $14.99 for this first, and we have a $3 digital that is attaching. Make sure you have that one loaded. Our little friend is already keyed in as a free item. This is really good to refresh like towels or stuff that gets smelly, you know. It's a really lovely product. Just to show you that $3 Tide Pod coupon is melting off. And then using the code WAG10, you're saving an additional $1.20. The overall sum is $14.99, $1.20, $3 manufacturer. So the total here is $11.62. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash if you may have it. Pay $1.62 and call this a heck of a deal. Another super deal that is on the radar this week is for these Olay mineral scrubs. $10 a pop, $6 reward when you spend $20. So grabbing 2 of these, it's going to be exactly $20 on the nose. We also have this digital coupon, which is a 7 off 2 that is in fact attaching to said product. So if you like these scrubs, this is a super deal. 2 of these again is $20. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $13. Get back a $6 register reward because you did spend $20. It's $7 for the 2 or $3.50 per scrub. No booster. It is okay to use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance to earn that $6 register reward. And now we're at the Dollar General. I did a quick little haul. I did pick up some clearance stuff on Monday, but I'm not going to show it because the clearance event is over. And I noticed that a lot of stores with the clearance event put more stuff in the clearance section, including a lot of penny items. So one store, these Midnight Breezes, they had I think 2 of them just on a shelf, and I was in that store the week previous. I didn't see them. If it's ringing up 0.00 for you in the app at the register, that should be a penny. You can always key this in, but just to show you, that's what those Midnight Breezes look like. And all of this air care has gotten crazy expensive all of a sudden too, I've just noticed. And for all the new penny shoppers, this is what you're looking for, 0.00. When you scan the barcode in with the app at the register, it should be a penny. And again, this other store I think I went to on Sunday or Monday night, I found 9 of these on a bottom shelf, and I had been in that store maybe since the surprise penny list, maybe at least 5+ times. How did I miss it 5+ times when I went through everything and then all of a sudden it just hit me in the face? And I was so grateful to find these. They're made by Rust-Oleum, which is that company that makes spray paint. This is a fantastic cleaner. I'm keeping every single one for my personal stash. Other 2 freebie items are dollar coupons are attaching. The crest you'll find in the dollar spot. It has to be this exact packaging of Pro Health. And then the scope, that little tiny thing, you'll find in the travel section. And there's such a small amount, like 36 milliliters. You probably could use that once. I use a lot of mouthwash. And then so using this at a new updated store, it just zeroes out to paying tax. If you use it with the 5 off 25, I know that these get reduced down to lesser coupons, so I'd rather just buy them outright, and these are the 2 freebies I found at the Dollar General. Okay, the last store that we have is Meijer, which is a grocery store in the Midwest only. Check your account. They have little, freebies and stuff, sometimes for certain accounts. And I had a free box of Kleenex, 120 to 160 count. These are always a huge, your mileage may vary. The first freebie that anybody can do is you're going to go to the travel section and pick up 2 of the Tresemes for $4.50. We have a 5 off 2 digital coupon attaching, making it a complete freebie. I want to give a big shout out and thank you to Rolling Coupon Moms on Instagram. I'm always talking about her. She's a friend to the channel. She's a personal friend as well. I really like her a lot. She found both of these deals. This Twin Select Bic. So it is the very skinny base razors. I think it's $3.59. We have a $3 digital coupon making this 59 cents, which is also really cheap. And this is one item, guys, I've noticed it's gotten really expensive for razors like quick. So if you can move on these deals right away, I would totally go and make it happen. And you know the best thing to do is to open up your shop and scan all 3 items. And if it's ringing up like this, itemized at the bottom at 59 cents, you know you're going to pay like 59 cents plus tax. I think for me it was just under $1 for the 3 products that I love to have in my stockpile of these items. So go and make that happen, load those coupons, and thank you, Rolling Coupon Moms. Also, when I was in the store, Mr. Clean has their Christmas line out, frosted cranberry. This is a floor cleaner. It's not a drink, but man, that looks really good. I really want to try this to mop my floors. It really captured my imagination because I don't think I've ever had a cranberry cleaner. We also have the Mr. Clean Fresh Pine. I think last year only HEB in Texas had these. So the fact that they're in the Midwest now at Meijer, I'm like, yes, let's go. And we also need a better digital coupon for these. And then a pumpkin spice, it's called Spiced Harvest. I don't know what I think of that for a floor cleaner, but it seems rather interesting. But that cranberry one, I think, is a huge winner. Let me know in the comments down below which one you are most excited for in the Mr. Clean line. That's it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.